Hello, hi. You are welcome to another video on Stop Exfoliation series. I welcome you on board. Are you wondering why I'm in the bush? Okay, this is I'm actually in the village. This is where I get my roots and the herbs for my wellness. Wellness is another series that will come after this Stop Exfoliation series. Okay, and stay, make sure you stay on this channel. Don't go. Make sure that you keep your eye on this channel. There is a lot to come. Do you understand? So I know that you will want to look your best at my age. I welcome you to Auntie Doris Club. But today's video focuses actually on the signs that you should look out for that will suggest to you that you are due for a type of physical exfoliation. But in the meantime, let me pack my leave and let's go to class. Let's go to class. Join me in class, okay? Later. Let's go. At the last lecture, I promised to teach on alternating between categories of physical exfoliation. I promised to teach that today, but I thought it's wise to first and foremost show you those signs that you see on your skin that suggest to you that you need a type of physical exfoliation or not. Okay, some of those signs that suggest exfoliation attention, but to you, but that actually is contrary. So let me show you some of those signs first and foremost today. We may then the later video now discuss the categories of alternating between categories of physical exfoliation. So let's look at those signs that is common. You just finished taking your bath. You have done all that you should do at the bathroom. You probably even sponged, okay, and you did everything. But then you got to the dressing room and you noticed that you are still dirty. You still feel dirty, perhaps while you were moisturizing your skin, and you notice that your skin is shedding, and it's shedding dark brown, like this, like what I'm showing you here, like what's sliding through the video now. It sheds dark brown, and the impulse that is common to all, that is peculiar to most women, is that, oh, I need an exfoliation. Hey, my skin is accumulated of dead skin cell, and I need to go exfoliate. No, I will suggest that you first of all query your soap, query your washing agent, query your soap. Okay, that dark brown, dirt that you see is actually not dirt. It's a combination of skin that is shedding plus toxin, meaning dirt, and oil. It's not all just about I have accumulated skin, that is shedding out. No. First of all, query. It could be that your washing agent, your soap, is not a good solvent. It's not dissolving your emollients powerfully enough. Okay, so query your soap when you see that. Okay, query it first before you think of, before you query any other thing. So that's the first sign. The second sign, again, that is common. That is common, and it's not limited to age. It's not limited to sex. Okay, you have taken your bath. You've done all that you need to do at the bathroom, and then you feel dirty. But what you are seeing on the surface of the skin is not dark brown this time, but are you blessed? Do you like what you've just heard? Do a thumbs up. Okay, for today's lecture, do a thumbs up. Okay, share your thoughts at the comment section. Okay, and wait for me next week. I shall be with you. Shalom.